This is a tutorial on how to transfer, backup and restore your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android in one click. If you have just switched to iPhone from Android, WhatsApp might be the first app you install on your new device. The chat history, images, audios and documents are so important that you can't afford to lose them. But WhatsApp does not support transfer of WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. So what to do? Well, we need to look for a solution and there are so many applications available to do that. But which one is the best? Well, today I am going to share details about best WhatsApp transfer app. So watch this video full if you are looking to transfer, backup or restore your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. Hello folks, Akhil here from WM Originals and today I am teaming up with TenorShare to share the quickest way to transfer, backup and restore your WhatsApp data across devices. With iCareFone WhatsApp Transfer, we can transfer WhatsApp and WhatsApp business data between Android and iOS in just one click. It supports iOS 14 and Android 10 as well. It is multi-directional, so can be used to transfer data across WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business on Android to iOS or iOS to Android without any limitation. With this we can back up WhatsApp data in just one click and it fully restores WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business data with 100% success rate. You can export and view WhatsApp data in HTML form as well. This can also help in backup of Line, Viber and WeChat as well. Follow just 3 steps and you can transfer, backup and restore your WhatsApp data. Let's give it a try and see how it works. Click on free download and it starts downloading. Once completed, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the instructions and complete installation. Once done, click on Start to open. Here we have iCare for WhatsApp transfer. From here we can not just transfer data from WhatsApp but can also use it for WhatsApp Business, Line, Kik, Viber and WeChat. Click on WhatsApp and now from here we can transfer data, backup data from device, can also view and restore data. Now I will show you how to restore WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. Here I have WhatsApp on my Android device which has few chats with images and videos. Now I want to switch to iPhone and have installed WhatsApp on that. Here you can see WhatsApp installed on my iPhone. Now let's move back to iCareFone WhatsApp transfer. Click on transfer and now from here we need to select source and destination devices. Today we are going to transfer data from Android to iPhone. So connect your Android phone to computer. Here we have our Android phone connected now. Next plug in your iPhone. Once both devices are detected, go ahead and hit the transfer button. It's saying the WhatsApp data on your iPhone will be overwritten. Well, there is no WhatsApp data on it, so we proceed. Here we can select an WhatsApp backup or create a new one like this. Once done, click on continue. It's now getting the data from source phone and now we need to verify the phone number. By verifying the phone number, we are able to decrypt the backup. So we type in the phone number which we use to sign into WhatsApp, then hit verify. Well, make sure to turn off two-step verification for WhatsApp and then hit continue. WhatsApp will send a verification code on this number. Once received, enter it right here and then hit verify to confirm. Once verified, iCareFone will generate data and that can be restored to your iPhone. Then WhatsApp will be signed out from the source device. Now what we are going to do is sign in to WhatsApp on the iPhone. Once done, click on logged in to proceed. Now the restore process will begin. All your WhatsApp data including chats, images, videos and documents will be moved over to your iPhone. Well, now it's done. Now it says transfer successful. Well, the time taken in this process depends on how big the backup is. and your iPhone will restart. Let's check it out. So there it is. We have all the WhatsApp data moved from Android to my iPhone. This is how easily you can also transfer your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. And if you want to try, check the link in description and pinned comment. Well, now let's talk about pricing, and for that let's move back to official website. From here click on buy now, and here we have pricing plan for Windows version. It is also available for Mac, and for Mac pricing click on go to Mac version, and here we have pricing plan for Mac version of iCare phone WhatsApp transfer. Just choose the plan as per your requirement and go ahead with purchase. Well, Tenorshare is running hot summer sale, and with that you can get yourself a free gift, special offers and discount on Tenorshare products. Giveaway of this summer is Heat Pop Photo Enhancer. You can get yourself 1 month free license by just sharing this on your social media platform. They have special discount on all data for Android app. Get lifetime subscription for just $4.99. And if you want to know more about Tenorshare all data for Android app, watch this full review and tutorial on my channel. Here are the products from Tenorshare which are available for 70% discount. You can also get 5% extra discount by using this coupon code. You can also get iCare phone for WhatsApp transfer at just $19.95 per month during this Tenorshare hot summer sale. So if you want to get any of these products or looking to transfer your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android, check the link in description and pin comment. This is what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and share your views in comments. Do consider subscribing to WM Originals to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.